Joyce from Keheng Lithium battery, and I'm in our Keheng battery production workshop. Today I will introduce you our new product, 48 volts, 20 kWh battery rack system. At first look, you can see it's an all-in-one machine which has the integrated inverter and battery modules. The system we used similar fuel crust and high-speed fan to realize the fast heat dissipation so that can prolong the system life. The total system net weight is about 230 kilograms. It's kind of heavy. To make it move conveniently so that we use the 4 universal wheels. Then you can move it to the place you want it very convenient. Now let us open the door of the system. We can see there are 5 modules in it, and each module are fixed and so that they will not move during the transportation, and you can use it directly when you receive it. Do not to install by yourself. The first module is a 5 kilowatts inverter, and there is an LCD display. We can read the battery system voltage and AC voltage in it. On the right of the LCD, there are 3 switches and 4 connectors. This one is AC in switch to control the connection with the main power supply. And this one is AC out switch to control the connection with the electricity load. This one is to control the connection between the inverter and the batteries. And this connector is used for connect the solar panel. Below are 4 pieces battery module. Each of them connects in parallel. And we can see each battery module has 1 LCD display and 1 switch. Let us open it. From the LCD display, we can read the battery module data very easily, such as the battery, pack voltage, current, temperature, cell voltage, and the cell capacity. So you will know your battery module status very easily by yourself. And each battery module has a smart BMS built in. It has a overload protection, over discharge protection, temperature protection, and balance function and alarm function. On the left, there is some wire connections, and this is for the communication protocol connection, like the RS485, Keheng, RS232, so that you also can read your system data from your laptop. The battery is working now, and it's supplying the electricity for 2 pieces electric burner. Each one is 1.5 kilowatts. See, it runs very smoothly. And today is all. Hope you like it. Thank you.